This is the time for you to make sure that everything is in tip-top shape and ready for you to move in.
1% here, joined by the gang, head broker Dave Barlow, agent Mike Hopper, and Jason Barlow. And Jason has the term of the week for us, where we go through real estate related terms for you guys to familiarize yourself with the real estate process. Jay, what do you got for us?
Welcome to this week's term of the week. Week. Can't hear you guys. I need some cooperation from my team. As savvy home buyers, you may be familiar with the term final walkthrough, but for those of you who may not know, this is your last chance to inspect the property before you fork over hundreds of thousands of dollars and close on the house. This is the time for you to make sure that everything is in tip-top shape and ready for you to move in. Take your time, inspect everything in the house, from walls to the floors to the appliances and the fixtures. Make sure everything is in working order and that there's no damages and no surprises that you might have overlooked during the process. This is also a time to make sure that everything on the home inspection that you guys asked to have fixed has actually been fixed. If something is amiss, something's not repaired, don't hesitate to address it with the seller. Your money is your leverage, okay? Closing is your leverage, and this is now the time to ensure that everything is taken care of. Once you give them the money, the deal is done. Get things in the right working order before you guys go to closing. If it doesn't feel right, if it doesn't look right, you don't have to close. Once you pull that card and you don't close because the seller didn't clean out, their trash, the seller's going to come over pretty quick to get their stuff if it means they're going to get $200,000, $300,000, whatever the purchase price is from you. So once everything then is in order, you can move forward with the closing, knowing that everything is now moving ready and there's no hidden surprises and everything's been taken care of for you. So there you have it, the final walkthrough, the final and honestly probably one of the most important steps in the home buying process. Thanks for watching this week's Term of the Week, brought to you by your boy, Jason Barlow at Sell for 1%. Stay tuned for more information, more engaging content from this team of experts. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more empowering knowledge on all things real estate. Until next time, cheers.